welcome back to another video. Today we are at Circa in Fukushima, and meeting up with some internet friends who you all probably know. Yeah, let's have a look at some of the cars. Very cool S15, S14. We're on a set of Garson Ryuji wheels. So if you guys follow Sylvias in Japan on Instagram and all that, you'll definitely know this car. This car is a beautifully restored S13 Sylvia SR TDO6 20G. But the condition of it is just absolutely beautiful. Sitting on T37s. But yeah, this day is a lot of these guys are a little bit older. They're from either Tohoku, which is Tohoku style is generally factory aero. As you can see, a lot of these cars have factory aero. So this is a very cool car actually. This is a GT1 1VR. Very, very, very cool kit. It's got BN Sports front and rear fenders. It's got the GT1 rear wing, which sits a little bit wider. And again, just keeping it completely old school. I love this so much. Super clean 180. 17, 18 stagger. Again, trust TDO6. Original aero. A very cool S14 Zenki on a 17-inch Work Emotion CR Kais, not Kiwamis, CR Kais. Let's see what else is here. Very cool RX-7 FC. TDO6 25G. Headlights sticker. JZZ30 Sora. Keeping on brand with the K-style, Tohoku style, K-style car shop from Fukushima. Another very cool S13 Sylvia. LMGT4s and Model 5s. This is a very cool, your typical old K-style car, SSR Type Cs. I actually think that's not an original bumper. No, it's a fiberglass version. I think K-Style did actually make a version of that, so it could actually be a K-Style car shop. Another very clean, beautiful 180 with the bright Zeta 2 and Bricks 1.5 combo. And of course this very beautiful S13 by SB Corporation. Let's have a look.
So cold.
How cool is this Nissan Cube sitting on a set of 4-star GTCs? It's your typical Japanese cosplay USDM with the fat lace Illa stickers. Super cool. It was definitely a time that this was very, very cool. Yeah, okay, next up we have a very beautiful S13 Sylvia, OEM aero, brick headlights, GDR grille. Team 13 sticker, brake Ito sticker, and very, very clean. So cool to see so many beautiful cars, all dressed up so nicely, paint looking good. Yeah, so this is the S13 with the full GT1 Aero, which is not available anymore, so very cool to see that. And also, you know what, I really like the non-tint. It just looks so beautiful and clean, you can just see straight in. So beautiful. The FC's got a miracle crossbar. so good to see so many people that we follow each other on Instagram, and also meet a bunch of new people. But yeah, very, very, very cool cars. Shout out to the Nasty Boys. Section was so cool. The matching. Also, there's another thing that no one ever really does in Australia is the wheel covers. For some reason, nobody ever really uses them. They just throw their wheels in the back of their car, and I guess that's it. Also, another thing you really don't see much in Japan is car trailers. Usually everybody has a loader truck, or they just drive their car to the track. But how cool is that? was a pretty cool event. Had a few late nights and early mornings, which I think are catching up to me. So, just gonna get some food. I think Steph's found a ramen joint, and we'll just get some food, go to our accommodation, chill out, and then have some dessert, definitely, and maybe just have an early night. I'm super pooped. Have an early night and relax because tomorrow we've got a pretty free day. I think we're just going to do some stuff around Fukushima, and then Sunday is going to be a bit of a hectic one because we'll be driving all day at Ebisu, and then driving all the way back to Tokyo that night. So yeah, anyway, let's check out some food. Okay, so we ended up having some ramen, but we are at a Kisaten, which is what is it, Steph?
Kisaten are, I think, a coffee shop.
Yeah, so they're pretty old style like coffee shop, very cozy, very warm, and especially today in Fukushima it is freezing. So we have a coffee parfait and what is that? A pudding.
It's a pudding.
And a Vienna coffee.
Vienna coffee.
So let's enjoy this and then go back to the accommodation and relax.